Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 500 MCQs of modern period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 375 up to part 16. This is part 17. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 376। विच critic introduce the terms a flat character and a round character. And these four options are here. Option A T.S. Eliot, option B Matthew Arnold, option C F.R. Lewis, and option D E.M. Foster. E.M. Foster. So the correct answer is option A T.S. Eliot is the correct answer. Now question number second, 377. Who commented a man would be a fool to deliberately stand up to be shot at as a response to the hostile reception of his last novel, and because of which he gave up novel writing. Option A Thackeray, option B Dickens, option C Meredith, and option D Hardy. So option D Hardy is the correct answer. Now question number 378. Which of the following essay of Virginia Woolf is on feminism? Option A The Moment, option B A Room of One's Own, option C Roger Fry, and option D The Death of the Moth. Death of the Moth. So the correct answer is option B A Room of One's Own. Option B A Room of One's Own. Now question number 379. The socio-political change of the inter half of the 19th century, it may be said, had resulted in the emergence of these four options are here. Option A new man, option B a new democracy, option C British liberalism, and option D all the above. All the above. So the correct answer is British liberalism. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 380. Who is a classicist in literature, royalist in politics, and Anglo-Catholic in religion? Very nice question, very important question. Who is a classical in literature, royalist in political, and Anglo-Catholic in religion? So these four option A Ezra Pound, option B Benjamin Disraeli, option C Matthew Arnold, and option D T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. So the correct answer is option D T.S. Eliot is the correct answer. Now question number 381. Who emphasized the importance of character into the following manner? I believe that all novels deal with character, and that it is to express character, not to preach doctrine, sung or celebrate the glories of the British Empire. Option A E.M. Foster, option B Virginia Woolf, option C Aldous Huxley, and option D James Joyce. James Joyce. So option B Virginia Woolf is the correct answer. Now question number 382. The poem If was written by option A Rudyard Kipling, option B T.S. Eliot, option C G.M. Hopkins, and option D W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats. So the correct answer of this question is option A Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling is the correct answer. 382 Rudyard Kipling. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 383. Hardy's creation of character Sue Bride had an adult race figure in. Option A. Test of the Dear Barber. Option B. The Mayor of the Castle Bridge. Option C. The Return of the Native. And option D. Jude the Obscure. Jude the Obscure. So option D is the correct answer. Jude the Obscure. Now question number 384. Who wrote these lines? Who wrote these lines and in which play? It is a woman's business to get married as soon as possible, but and a man's to keep unmarried as long as he can. Option A. Sheridan in the Rivals. Sheridan in the Rivals. Option B. Congreve in the Bay of World. Option C. G.B. Shaw in Man and Superman. Option D. Osborne in Look Ben in Inger. So the correct answer of 384 is option C. G.B. Shaw in a Man and Superman. G.B. Shaw in Man and Superman. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 385. Who wrote chamber music? Who wrote chamber music? Option A. James Joyce. Option B. W.B. Yeats. Option C. T.S. Eliot. And option D. W.H. Auden. W.H. Auden. The correct answer of 385 is James Joyce. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 386. The French novelist Emile Zola is a. Option A. Art realist. Option B. Naturalist. Option C. Symbolist. And option D. Symbolist. So the correct answer of 386 is option B. Nature. Option B. 386. Option B. Naturalist. Naturalist. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 387. The novel of the interwar years 1981-1939. Characteristic of. Option A. Expressionism. Option B. Elusive style. Option C. Discontinuity time. And option D. All the above. All the above. So the option D. All the above is the correct answer. Now dear friends, these questions are very useful. Listen and keep in your mind for a long period. Now question number 388. 388. Which of the following being with ours essentially are tragic age? Option A. Lambic. Option A. Lady Chatterley's Lover. Option B. Rainbow. Option C. Under the Greenwood Trees. And option D. Eloises. Eloises. So the correct answer of 388 is option A. Lady Lady Chatterley's Lover. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 388. Option A. Lady Chatterley's Lover is the correct answer. Now question number 189. Question number 189. We have no more right. Yes. We have no more right to consume. We have no more right to consume happiness without producing in it than to consume wealth without producing it. Each in which play he has Shaw expressed this view. So these four options are here. Option A, the devil's option A, the devil's disciple. Option B, Man and Superman. Option C, Candida. And option D, Arms and the Man. Arms and the Man. So the correct answer is So the correct answer is option C. Candida is the correct answer. Option C. Now question number 390. Asking a working writer that what he think about critics is like asking a lamp post what it thinks about dogs. Who wrote this? Option A. Ezra Pound. Option B. John Osborne. Option C. Virginia Woolf. And option D. George Orwell. George Orwell. So option B. John Osborne is the correct answer. Option B. John Osborne is the correct answer. Now question number 391. In which of his novels did Lawrence deal with the psychological phenomenon known as Oedipus complex? So the correct answer, these four options are option A, The Boy in the Bush. The Boy in the Bush. Option B, The Treatment. Option B, The Tracer Passer. Option C, Lady Chatterley's Lover. And option D, Sons and Lovers. Sons and Lovers. So the correct answer is option D, Sons and Lovers. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 392. The English comic character is a collection of essays. The English comic character is a collection of essays by option A. Charles Lamb, option B. Francis Bacon, option C. J.B. Priestley, and option D. William Hazlitt. William Hazlitt. So the correct answer is option C. J.B. Priestley. J.B. Priestley. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 393. 393. Which of the under mentioned poet is not originally an American? Option A, Edith Sitwell. Option B, Ezra Pound. Option C, T.S. Eliot. And option D, Sylvia Plath. So the correct answer is J.B. Priestley. J.B. Priestley. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 393. Which of the under mentioned poet is not originally an American? 393. Which 393. Which of the under mentioned poet is not originally an American? Option A, Edith Sitwell. Option B, Ezra Pound. Option C, T.S. Eliot. And option D, Sylvia Plath. So the correct answer of 398, option A, Edith Sitwell, is a poet is not originally an American. Now question number 394. These music crept by me upon the waters and along the stand up Queen Victoria Street, city. I can sometime hear beside a public bar in Lower Thomas Street the pleasant whine of a mandolin and a clatter and a chatter from within, where fishermen lounge at noon, where the walls of Magnus Martyr hold inexplicable splendor of Ionian white and gold. These music lines have been taken from option A, Geronson, option B, The Wasteland, option C, The Hollow Man, option D, Sweeney Among the Nightingales. Sweeney Among the Nightingales. So option B, The Wasteland, is the correct answer. नाउ दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो डियर फ्रेंड्स। यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो उन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त हो सके, जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक प्राप्त हो सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 395। मिली थेले इज ए प्रोमिनेंट character in Henry James Noble. Option A, The Wings of the Dove. Option B, The Golden Bowl. Option C, The Princess. And option D, The Portrait of the Lady. The Portrait of the Lady. So the first option A, The Wings of the Dove, is the correct answer. Now question number 396, last question of this video. Which of the under mentioned books contains background material for E.M. Forster novel of Passage to India? Option A, Avenger Her Best. Option B, Two Cheers for Democracy. Option C, Aspect of the Novel. Option D, The Hill of Devi. The Hill of Devi. So option D, The Hill of Devi, is the correct answer. Dear friends, I hope कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.